Good evening to all my eBay bidders. This is Jack at Wesley Chapel Toyota. I know you've asked for a short video on the engine, on the interior as well. I'm just going to take a video and show you a little bit about it. Coming here, showing here's where your battery is. The vehicle is in nice shape. Doesn't look to have really any rust on it per se. As I had mentioned to you before, we had done everything to bring it up to specs on the vehicle itself. It's a 6-cylinder. I mean, for the year and the miles, it's all well represented. And I'm also going to take a shot of the interior as well, showing there are no rips or tears. There's your door panel here. Here's your driver's seat. No cracks in the dash. Shot of your interior here. There's your air conditioning, your AM/FM radio. Here's the passenger side. Carpet's in nice shape as well. Give you a shot from the back seat also. No rips or tears, no smell. Give you a shot from the back. Your seat does fold down there. One little spot on the tailgate there. Hopefully this will help you with your decisions. If you have any questions, please call me. 727-452-3664, Jack from Wesley Chapel Toyota. Thanks and have a wonderful evening.